There is not one particular motivation or inspiration that helped me write Two of Us, but I think major inspiration comes from the cultural differences and seeing people from different lifestyles and where they come from, especially growing up, and also coming to Bangalore from Pune was a big cultural difference to me. So the sheer aspiration to feel belong somewhere, to be seen, to be heard, and to be loved, I think the entire story and concept of Two of Us comes from there. So my internship started in October and my first draft I started writing in November 2020. My final draft was in February 2021. So we underwent 7 total drafts. Two of Us is about 3 females, 3 women. One is a mother who's trying to raise her child with zero support of her husband. So she's also somewhere juggling between keeping the family intact, making a living, and raising a child. Then there's the child, Arya. She's also curious about things. She wants to know several things. She's at an age where, building connections and talking to people is very important because you're just coming out of that bubble and you meet different people, and she's not able to find that in her family because it's so chaotic, because she has no idea if there is a family in the first place or not. She's just seeing her mother struggle and everything. Then there's my third female lead, who's a trans woman. The entire idea of including a trans woman is, no matter how progressive we say we are, we don't speak for them, right? So the whole idea of belongingness, that you don't necessarily have to have a blood relation, or just the acknowledgement that, yeah, okay, you know what, you're going through something, I've been through it, is that connect you feel, and the acknowledgement you do towards each other of loneliness, pain, and just wanting someone to be there. Not necessarily have to be anything romantic, sexual, but just platonic is something very nice and something very underrated, I feel. Then, unlike any other short film or line production, we started our casting, screenplay, storyboarding, looking for locations, props, etc. Few major ones were, first was storyboarding. There were clashes with storyboarding and short division and color, the right tone, what mood I was going for. And of course, with different people working on one particular project, there will be different opinions. So those were few of the main challenges we faced. Initially, we planned on shooting in February, but things got delayed. We had to rework on one of the draft. We wanted to make sure that we work with our cast closely because it is dialogue heavy and expression heavy. So we had to make sure that the cast and our actors know that what we are looking for, what the film is about. So to work with the cast, we took another 1 week, 2 weeks, and we did several workshops with them. And then we shot in March. We shot in the duration of 3 days. So first day we shot at the house. The biggest task was to deal with Bruno. That idiot just we had to bribe him with peanut butter for every shot. Indoor shots went well, very smoothly, because it's such a huge team and there was a small space, but there was a good coordination on the first day, so things were pretty smooth until first day. Second day came and we were shooting at the park. We were entirely dependent on natural lighting. So that was the biggest challenge we faced, because we really didn't take sunset into peaking afternoon light, etc. So we had to actually change our ending accordingly because we didn't get the right ending frame. But I'm still very happy and satisfied with how the ending turned out to be, apart from all the chaos and all the havoc that we had. Third day we again had to shoot some shots indoors with Bruno because his energy level was done. So we had to really coordinate with Bruno's moods also. So that was 3 days shoot, which was pretty nice, hectic, chaotic, but fun. I'm really grateful that my first project was with Caves, because the way they mentored and they handled this project with taking consideration that I'm a student and I also have my college going by the side, and it was very fun. I mean, as chaotic it was, and yeah, I think we all managed each other well. They gave me this opportunity to write, direct, and basically manage. The primary motto was with everything else was to not make it look like a student film. So from finding the right cinematographer, the right mentor for the actors, and the team they built, I think was great, and they're just nice people to work with. The knowledge they share, the information they have, the things they know, and just their passion about filmmaking as a process really brought this film together. Caves Media really has some great resources and nice family, like overall. So initially I just saw the first cut. Now I saw the final cut of the two of us, and I think I'm pretty overwhelmed. It's come out a lot better than we all expected it to be, with taking into consideration the lighting, the sound and everything. Entire two of us film, I think if I have to give a remark, it'll be it's nice to not be alone. I think now I can say I'm kind of proud of myself somewhere.